In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste tasks in Wrike efficiently. Whether you're managing multiple projects at once or simply looking to save some time, this straightforward guide will help you duplicate tasks with ease. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to Wrike. Head over to the Wrike website. If you already have an account, simply click on the login button to get started. Once you've done that, you'll see different login options. Today we're going to use Google, so go ahead and click on Google. From here, choose the Google account that's associated with your Wrike workspace, and you'll be directed into your projects. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the project containing the task you want to copy. Navigate to the specific project by using the menu on the left side of your workspace. Your projects are usually organized here, making it easy to locate the one you're looking for. Once you're inside your desired project, look for the task card that you want to copy. Once you've found the task card, the next step is to right-click on it. Right-clicking will bring up a small menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Copy Link. Selecting this option doesn't just give you a link to the card, it also puts the card's information on your clipboard, making it easy to duplicate. With your task card link copied, you'll now want to navigate to the other project where you'd like to paste this task. Just like before, use your workspace navigation to locate the target project. Once inside this project, you'll be ready to copy over the task card. In your target project, look for the Plightum button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the task list or within the particular section you're working within. Once you click on Plightum, you'll see an entry field where you can type in or paste content. In this field, paste the link that you copied earlier. Finally, the last step is to press Enter. This action should automatically generate an exact copy of your original task card in the new project. It's a quick and efficient way to duplicate tasks across different parts of your workspace. And that's it, you've successfully copied and pasted a task within Wrike. This method can be especially helpful when dealing with recurring tasks or when managing a series of projects that have overlapping tasks. I hope you found this guide useful and that it saves you both time and effort in managing your tasks on Wrike. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.